Architects, designers, civil engineers, and even those in finance jobs could be the latest victims from falling construction demand in the coming months. Experts say the lack of manpower will continue to drag the sector, and one construction firm says it's more concerned with keeping up with existing projects rather than the lack of new ones in the market. Kelly Wong reports.
COVID-19 has thrown a spanner in the works for the construction sector this year. Delays because of a lack of labour and materials, as well as falling demand, have dragged its share of Singapore GDP in the second quarter of this year to 1.75%. That's a dip from 3.6% in the first quarter, when construction came to a standstill during the circuit breaker. Growth in the sector also fell nearly 60% compared to last year. This stands in stark contrast to its glowing numbers throughout 2019. And with future demand set to fall like a ton of bricks, the tremors will be felt elsewhere in other segments of the economy as well.
We're talking about professional services, it could be design, architecture, engineering services as well. Other than that, we're also talking about financial services as well. I think construction loan, construction finance also take out quite substantial portion. So the financial sector may also have some impact if there's a slowdown in the construction activity.
Dr. Singh says fallout will also send more foreign workers packing as firms start to cut costs. And he says this will rattle the already resource-stretched industry even more. Still, one construction firm says it's not a matter of fewer contracts in the market, but too few hands to work on them, particularly when existing projects are still facing issues.
We do not see any of our contracts being cancelled, but rather increase in calls for us to help to take up other projects which was left over by other subcontractors. We actually need to reject certain projects because based on the fact that we really do not have the resources. And we also do not wish to actually increase the worker pool because of the uncertainty ahead.
Mr. Pei adds that the bad news could continue piling up, with developers unlikely to start on new private property projects as the built environment sector struggles to make up for lost time.